Let's be real for a second. Who doesn't want to make money online? You're scrolling through YouTube or TikTok, and suddenly someone's telling you how they made thousands of dollars while doing nothing. And 9 times out of 10, they're talking about affiliate marketing. But is it really that easy? Or is there more to the story? Stick with me, because today, I'm breaking it all down. No hype, no fluff. Just the real deal on how affiliate marketing works, and how you can start using it to actually make money. Affiliate marketing sounds like a dream. You recommend products online, someone clicks your link, they buy something, and boom, you earn a commission. And while it can be that straightforward, there's a lot more going on behind the scenes. Because let's face it, if it were that simple, everyone would be doing it successfully, right? Here's the good news. Affiliate marketing is real, and thousands of people, maybe even some of your favorite creators, are making passive income from it every single day. The bad news? It takes strategy, patience, and a little trial and error to get there. So if you've ever thought about affiliate marketing, whether as a side hustle or a serious income stream, this video is your beginner-friendly blueprint. We'll walk through what affiliate marketing actually is, how it works, how to get started, and how to increase your chances of success without wasting time or money. What is affiliate marketing? Let's start simple. Affiliate marketing is when you promote someone else's product or service, and you earn a commission every time someone makes a purchase through your unique referral link. You're not creating the product, handling customer service, or shipping anything. You're just connecting the buyer to the seller and getting rewarded for it. Think of it like being a digital salesperson. But instead of working in a store, you're sharing links on your website, YouTube channel, Instagram, TikTok, blog, or email list. How does it work? Here's how the process works, step by step. You sign up for an affiliate program. You get a unique link that tracks who clicked and bought through your recommendation. You promote the product using that link, maybe in a blog post, video, social media post, or email. Someone clicks your link and makes a purchase. You earn a commission. That's the core idea. Simple enough, right? The commissions can range from a few cents to hundreds of dollars, depending on what you're promoting. Who offers affiliate programs? Pretty much everyone. Amazon has one. It's called Amazon Associates. Software companies like Canva, Notion, or ConvertKit have affiliate programs. Online courses, subscription boxes, web hosting services, tech products, books, beauty brands, you name it. If you're interested in a product or service, chances are it has an affiliate program. You can usually find it by Googling, "How much can you earn?" This is the part everyone wants to know. Truth is, it varies. A lot. Let's look at a few real-world examples. Promoting an Amazon product might earn you 1 to 4% commission. That's a few bucks on a $100 product. Promoting a software subscription or online course could earn you 30 to 50% commission, sometimes even recurring income every month. Digital products and SaaS tools often pay the most because they don't have physical costs. Some people make $50 a month from affiliate marketing, others make $5,000. And yes, there are people out there making 6 figures a year. But that takes serious time, content, and traffic. It all depends on your niche, your audience, and your strategy. Common mistakes to avoid. Let's talk about what not to do. Don't spam links everywhere. Just dropping a link without context almost never works. Don't promote junk. It might pay more, but if it's a bad product, it ruins your credibility. Don't rely on one traffic source. Try combining YouTube plus blog or TikTok plus email. Don't give up too soon. Affiliate marketing is a long game, not a get-rich-quick scheme. Bonus: tips to boost your earnings. Want to level up? Here's how. Use SEO. Create content people are already searching for. Answer their questions. Build an email list. That way, you're not relying only on social media algorithms. Compare products. Product A versus Product B content tends to convert well. Use affiliate-friendly tools like Linktree, Pretty Links for WordPress, or bio tools on Instagram. Check your analytics, see what's working and double down on it. And if something's not working, don't take it personally. Just tweak and try again. So, can you make money with affiliate marketing? Absolutely. But is it a guaranteed passive money machine right from day one? Not quite. Here's the truth. Affiliate marketing is a business. A small one, yes, but still a business. That means it requires some upfront work, testing, consistency, and a willingness to learn. But if you're willing to treat it like a long-term game, affiliate marketing can be one of the most beginner-friendly ways to start making money online without needing to create your own product or deal with inventory. Start simple. Pick a niche. Join a few programs. Make your first piece of content. Then do it again. It won't be perfect, but it will be progress. And that's what counts. If you got value from this video, feel free to drop a comment and let me know where you're at in your affiliate journey. I read every single one. And hey, if you're ready to dive deeper, there's a bunch of free resources linked below to help you get started faster. Take it slow, stay consistent, and I'll catch you in the next one. Let me know if you'd like a version tailored for a particular platform, like YouTube Shorts, Instagram, or a more advanced follow-up. Do you like this personality? Ask ChatGPT Tools.